Hey, it's me, Aries 83, and I'm still alive. I'm alive. Just barely hanging on. Um, just I'm gonna do a video live stream vlog. Probably it's gonna probably be before this comes out, but I'm doing this before. I'm doing this video first, and I'm gonna do the live stream because I want to open these toys and I want to have it on camera. Eventually, what I want to do is with big ticket items that are like more expensive or hard to get. In the reviews, I want to do them live so that way people can ask questions like about stuff. Because, well, $5 Battle Master, you don't need a review if it just bends. But if you're talking about like a third party toy or um, a Titan class figure where money is priority and you want to find out first, I think doing the video and having people ask questions is going to be better in the long run. But this video will be baby's first third party official toy. I know I have the knockoff Devastator, the NBK Nimble Brave Knights Devastator, but that's a knockoff of a third party. This is essentially a third party figure. Now, one of the reasons that I don't like third party figures is that they're really expensive. I've seen this guy. This is the figure that's supposed to be like I think his name is Kakuryu from Transformers Victory, which I'm watching the dub, and this is supposed to be him, but not. In the show, he transforms into a Triceratops, but he's the toy. Generation 1 toy was actually, I believe, a pretender. He would come out of the Pterosaur shell, turn into a robot, and turn into an ogre like this, and then combine to form Monstructor. So I got this guy from TF Source. They ship quick. So TF Source is one of, if you want something quick, you have to pick, you can't, in these times, these trying times, you can't pick USPS. It's gonna take forever. So the cheapest option that wasn't USPS was UPS. I think it's like ground or something, was like $11. So that I got it like within the week of ordering it. I ordered it on a Friday, got it like on a Thursday. So the reason that I bought this guy, I've seen him for $60, but TF Source, when I bought it, I don't know if he's still in stock as of this video recording. When I bought him, he was $39.99. So basically it was $40, which is $10 above Earthrise Voyager, which I think the Voyager should be $20, but and let's say $20 or $10 below leader class. So he's a sweet spot in the middle. But you know, with the shipping, it was $11. So it came up to about $50. But I had seen them before for 60, and I considered buying them, but I thought that was too much for just one guy. After doing some sleuthing on the internet, I did find out why this guy is not selling. There's a video with Evangelist where he does an operation on one of his knees or on both of his knees. So I'm glad I saw that before I opened the figure, because maybe I would have broke it. Maybe it's an issue that's been fixed, but at least it's an issue I'm aware of. the box does open up like this. I think this is some of the same stuff that's shown in the back. And you have a window where you could see our robot buddy, who's very comedic in the show, and his accessory weapons. So one of the reasons why I got him was because he was $39.99. The other reason was because he comes with a bunch of stuff. He comes with the combiner feet, comes with this BFG, and he also turns into the torso, the bust of this combiner, which is based on Monstructor. So if I want, I could just display a cool robot bust. So there was a lot that went into buying this guy. Not just, oh, he's a victory character. No, it was the value. Extra weapons, even though they turn into feet. I think there's hands inside. And the fact that he turns into a bust. I don't like the robot mode so much, but I was thinking maybe him, Blot, and Ripper Snapper could get along. I am disappointed that this guy is basically Voyager. He's basically deluxe size. Most third-party toys, when I see them, I expect them to be huge for their cost. But, well, what you're going to do. So, I'm going to open this guy. I'm not going to review him. Just going to do an unboxing. After I fiddle with him, I'll review him. And this guy is from Fans Project. There's nothing left in the box. Probably gonna cut it up and recycle it. I don't like keeping boxes. Here he is in his tray. He has a collector-esque packaging, which I like. If you're gonna sell stuff to the collector, you have to make it so that you can reseal the packaging. The Dragon Ball Stars guys, you have to push them out of their packaging, and it leaves like the bottom crumpled. But recently I picked up some Gundam Universe, and their packaging is like this. It doesn't button in, but you put the part on top, and without any twisty ties or anything, it holds the figure in place. So this is good. This makes me consider keeping the box, because after you open it, the package isn't useless. I bought a commemorative Astor train from Walmart, and the outside box, beautiful. The inside, as soon as you take that guy off the plastic that's attached to cardboard, it's done. You could put him back in the box, but he's going to be rolling around in there. So, let's see. Here's his manual in here, his instructions. All right, the tape came off onto my finger. It's nice. And here, full beans. Instructions are in, I guess, black and white with color highlighting what you have to move. But lately, for instructions, I've been using YouTube videos. I think it's easier. You don't have to guess. Although sometimes people don't explain instructions well. Wait, it's taped. Get that extra measure. Tape here. Tape here. All right, let's open them up. Here's the gun. Pretty cool. Feels light though. I mean, it's hollow. Here's the 2 feet, which also come with hands. And they have missile. Turns into a missile launcher too. That you could wear on his shoulders. So that's cool. And these toes, these monster toes, they come up and down. I'm not gonna buy any of the other guys to form the combiner, not unless they're $39.99 or cheaper. The hand has ball jointed fingers, under articulated too. Cool. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm looking around the camera and not through the camera. I guess because the camera's too close to my face, my eyes can't focus. Ankle tilt. And back and forth. Here's the big boy. Face coat is pretty cool. As a kid, I used to like mouth plates, but now as an adult, I'm more partial to mouths. Has this plastic on his chest. His combiner head is over here. It's right below his torso. And here you have his monster face. Feed me, Shamar. Feed me. Yeah, see? And Ben's Collectibles said that this is basically a second face. The screws are the eyes. And this is like a gaping mouth. So there's a problem in the knees, which I'll get to off camera. He's all right. He's not heavy. I think he was supposed to have die-cast feet or something. Maybe that was someone else. He's okay. For my first third-party figure, he'll do nicely. Let me see, this ankle's at an angle. All right. This other ankle's like kind of stuck. All right, I'm not gonna force it. So size comparison. Bring in my boy Ripper Snapper. How do you do? Right. And my drink, a bottle of Snapple. He's basically deluxe size. I don't have any deluxes. I do like the design, but I don't think I'm wowed by it. Plastic feels light. Doesn't feel cheap. Just I don't know. Incredibly light for a third party toy. All right. So that's it for the unboxing. After I go through and finagle with him, I'll probably do a proper review with proper size comparison. But that's it for now. I'm Aries 83, and I'll see you guys on the flip side of life. See ya. Bye.